We all have a daily routine, whether it's for work, school, or personal life. Let's walk through a typical day and learn some common daily routine vocabulary. My day begins when I wake up early, usually around 7 a.m. After lying in bed for a few minutes, I finally get up and stretch. The first thing I do is brush my teeth to feel refreshed. Then, I head to the bathroom to take a shower and wake myself up. After my shower, I get dressed and ready for the day. Before leaving, I always have breakfast, usually a cup of coffee and some toast. After breakfast, I take the bus to work. My workday starts at 9 a.m, and I spend most of the morning completing tasks and attending meetings. Around noon, I have lunch, often with colleagues. In the afternoon, I usually take a short break to relax before getting back to work. By 5 p.m, I finish work and head home. When I get home, I take some time to relax. Sometimes I cook dinner, but other times I order food. After dinner, I like to watch TV or read a book to unwind. Before bed, I take another shower and get ready for the next day. Finally, I go to bed around 10 p.m, ready to start a new day. Now let's go through some common daily routine vocabulary with example sentences to see how it is used in real life. Morning routine. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up. She gets up as soon as her alarm rings. Take a shower. He takes a quick shower before breakfast. Brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth after meals. Get dressed. She gets dressed for school in the morning. Have breakfast. They have breakfast together at 8 a.m. Daytime routine. Go to work. He goes to work by bus. Start work. She starts work at 9 a.m. Have lunch. We have lunch at noon. Take a break. I take a short break in the afternoon. Finish work. He finishes work at 5 p.m. Evening routine. Come home. She comes home from work at 6 p.m. Cook dinner. He cooks dinner for his family. Have dinner. They have dinner at 7 p.m. Watch TV. I like to watch TV before bed. Do homework. The kids do their homework after dinner. Exercise. She exercises 3 times a week. Take a shower. He takes a shower before bed. Read a book. I read a book before sleeping. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Now, let's challenge your skills. First, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the list. Read each sentence carefully and choose the right word. Next, put the sentences in the correct order to form a logical daily routine. Think about what happens first in the morning, what comes next during the day, and how the routine ends at night. Take your time, and when you're ready, check your answers. Now let's go over the correct sentences in the correct order. Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m., but I stay in bed for a few minutes. After I get up, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and take a shower. Before leaving the house, I get dressed and then have breakfast. I usually have breakfast before I leave for work at 8 a.m. At 9 a.m., I start work and start my tasks. Around noon, I take a break and have lunch with my colleagues. I finish work at 5 p.m. and head home. In the evening, I cook dinner and then have dinner with my family. After dinner, I like to watch TV or read a book to relax. Before bed, I sometimes take a shower, and then I go to bed around 11 p.m. Match the phrases with their meanings. Here are the correct answers. Now, it's your turn to practice. Take a moment to answer these questions out loud. First question: what do you usually do during your work or study routine? Think about your daily tasks. Do you check emails, attend meetings, or complete assignments? Try to describe your typical routine in a few sentences. Next question: how do you like to relax after a long day? Do you read a book, watch TV, exercise, or spend time with friends? Answer in full sentences. And finally, why is it important to take breaks during the day? Breaks help you stay focused and productive. Can you explain why they matter in your own words? Practice speaking as much as you can. If you need more time, pause the video and think about your answers. Keep going. Every time you practice, you're improving your English. Great job learning this daily routine vocabulary. Try using these words in your own sentences to practice even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.